it's Miss Clark. Just coming on, this video is to help you with your Wednesday maths lesson. Miss Hennessy and I have been really impressed so far with the work you've been sending us on your counting in twos. So this is another lesson on counting in twos. So we're going to start off recapping on our number line, our numbers to 2. So count with me, ready? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, so we used our number line before and we were grouping things in pairs. Today, we're going to be making groups of 2, okay? Now, we're going to be making equal groups of 2. Now, we've heard the word equals before in our addition and subtraction. So, we know that 1 plus 1 equals 2, or 1 plus 1 is the same as 2. So, when we do our equal groups, we know they all have to equal the same amount, okay? Now, to make your groups, I've just cut out squares of paper, but you could use anything. You could get bowls, you could get teddies, and you're giving each teddy the same amount, whatever you would like to come up with. So, I'm going to start, let's start with 3. Okay. So, I've got 1, 2, 3 groups, okay? Now, I'm going to share out pasta, just because it was the easiest thing I could think of. But you might want to share out Lego, any building blocks, anything you've got just to share out. You could even use your socks or anything you used on Monday's lesson. So I'm going to make 3 equal groups of 2. So I've got 2, 2, and 2. So I've got 1, 2, 3 groups. So I've got 1, 2, 2 2s, and 3 2s. And now I want you to count them in the 2s. So we've got 2, 4, 6. So we know that 3 groups of 2 equals, or is the same as, 6. Okay, let's add some more groups. Let's add 1 either end. Okay, let's count the groups. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. But we can see the groups, they're not equal because they're not all the same. So I'm now going to make them all the same. So I'm going to, add 2 to that group. And 2 to this group. Okay, so they're now all equal groups because they all have 2. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Got 1, 2, 2 2s, 3 2s, 4 2s, and 5 2s. Now let's count in the 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I've got 5 groups of 2, which is the same as 10. So 5 lots of 2 equals 10. So Miss Hennessy and I would like you to make some equal groups and tell anyone at home how many groups you've got, how many lots of 2 are in those groups. Okay, to finish off, I was trying to think of a game that you could easily make at home to help you with your counting in 2s. So, I thought of a game, let's call it Splat the 2s. So, for our game Splat the 2s, on a piece of paper, I want you to write the numbers that you count when we're counting in 2s, starting from 0. So we've got 0, and we're going to scatter them all over the floor. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Okay, so now we've got all them scattered around. You can hop, skip, jump, all on your numbers in the order for counting in 2. So we've got 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, that's not 12, that's 2, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now, for an extra challenge, see if you can do it even quicker. See how fast you can get. Then ask someone at home if they can take a number away and you work out the missing number. So Ben, can you take a number away for me? I'm going to turn my back so I can't see. Okay, you ready?
Okay, hang on.
Okay, right, let's see if we can work it out. So we've got 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Was it 10?
Yep.
Oh, brilliant. So you can keep doing that to work out missing numbers, and for an extra challenge, see if you can do it backwards. Okay, have fun with it, and we look forward to seeing what you come up with. See you soon, bye!